project share video to go along with my blog post for a design team project that I made for ASC craft supplies, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I was just going to explain to you really quick what I used. I used some 49 Market flowers. They're really pretty, this peach color, and everything that I used was either from my stash or from my ASC craft supplies design package. So anyway, I used one of the chipboard pieces from the Princess collection, and the paper pack is the G45 Princess paper pack collection. So everything was from that particular collection. So these are the chipboard pieces. I used a chipboard piece here, which you'll see on the project, the 49 Market flowers. I also used this little card from the Graphic 45 cardstock die cut set. So use that one, and then I used a bunch of different paper from this paper pack collection. So this is the Princess collection. I'm not really a foo-foo princess kind of person, but this is a really pretty paper pack. So again, I used some of the paper from that. I cut out a bunch of little pieces from the journal card collection that's part of that. So it's the Princess collection journaling cards, and I think I used this one, and I cut her out, and then I used this one and I cut her out, and then I cut out a crown and a flower. This flower here, you'll see that in the collection. I cut this out, and then I cut one of these out. I think this one, I made this as a corner piece that I cut out. So anyway, and then the main part of the box that I made was using the pattern in the solids. So I used this particular pattern for the actual entire box. And the box that I used, I am a big recycler, so I got a Cheeto box from the Dollar Tree, and after I ate the Cheetos, I was like, oh wow, that box would make a really cool project. So that's what I did. And for the feet on the box, I actually used these little wood balls that I had in my stash from when I used to make jewelry. And then I used these bling stickers, some of these bling stickers, and one of them I used whole, but mostly I cut them up and used them on the box. So that's that. And then I used some flowers from my ASC box of flowers that I have. I think they were all 49 Market. So I used some Nouveau drops, these new crystal drops. I used this one, which is, what is this one? This one's buttermilk. I absolutely love this one. And then I used this crystal glitter drops by Nouveau, and this one is called Summer Sunrise. It is really, really pretty. So I will have the entire step-by-step tutorial on my blog. This is just the video to go with that blog post to show the actual project share part of it. So anyway, this is my box, and I can't zoom out, so I'm just going to kind of go up and down with it. But here's the little feet, and then here's the 49 Market flowers, the ASC flowers. This was a flower. And sorry about that. And then here's the little blings that I cut apart, and then here's the little pieces that I cut out. This actually came with the 49 Market Flower collection, this collection here, and so did these green leaves. And then I also used this corner die, which actually came with a Memory Decks card set, so it's to create pockets. But I went ahead and cut it out in gold, on just gold paper. Cut that out and made those corners, 4 corners. So I covered the entire box in the yellow princess paper. Sorry, some of my Nuvo drops are still drying, so I don't want to touch it. But put the card on the back, and I'll put my information here. And I just covered the box, and then I used a rectangle template. I couldn't actually run this through my die machine, so what I did was I traced the inside of the rectangle die, and then I used an X-Acto knife and just, carefully cut it out or whatever. And then I used my jelly plate to kind of color the background, used some of the paper from the paper collection and put that in the back, and then fussy cut around. These are the images that I fussy cut around as the little flowers and stuff. So just put those in there and made my little shadow box. So I really like how it turned out though. And then for the top, that's the chipboard piece. And then I just lined it with the Nuvo drops, put some ASC flowers, the white ones, put some more bling on the top, and this one says, "Live the life you imagined." And that is my box. So I have a full picture of it on my blog, and the link will be below. So that's pretty much it for my project share. So if you want to see the actual step-by-step instructions, that again will be on my blog. So thanks for stopping by and visiting. If you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to be notified when I have more videos, then hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon next to it, and you will get notified every time I upload a new video. So anyway, stop by my blog if you're interested in the tutorial again. Thanks for visiting. Have a blessed day.